Today's task is quite challenging. The newly renovated house already has electrical issues. The electrician is here fixing it. He's been working on it for hours. Says the circuit breaker can't close without causing a short. Checking the circuit, this circuit. The electrician has gone back and forth several times. Still not working. Obviously, a short between the live and neutral wires. That means a short circuit. The meter points to one position. Directly measuring the live and neutral wires. Checking the circuit, this circuit. Have you disconnected all the responsible parts? What about the measurement between the wires and the ground? The live wire to ground is leaking. The neutral wire to ground is also leaking. The rooftop. This is the control switch. Control means low voltage control socket. It's from the socket in the living room and bedroom. The socket has been removed. But the connection points haven't been separated. The removed socket is from a newly modified concealed box. Let's separate the neutral wire first. Measure these two circuits separately. This one is normal, no leakage. Measuring the other one, the pointer swings all the way. The upper circuit is normal through measurement. The leaking one is the lower circuit. Since this circuit is a later addition with a 5-hole socket. Let's find where there's a round type socket. In the master bedroom, under the bed, there's a round socket. Opening this, there are 2 original wires and 1 later added wire in the switch box. Let's separate the combined wire ends. Since it's a short circuit, separate the neutral wire alone. Leave the live wire as is. Measure this live to neutral, the pointer moves significantly. This circuit is the shorted one. This is the shorted circuit. There's a segment here. If this is an old segment, it's fine. It's fine. Just this one segment. This is the original wire. Inside is a white conduit. Not leading to the newly modified concealed box. Because the new box uses a red conduit. Where does this original wire lead to? You modified the new box. Oh. Is this a broken circuit or what? This segment. Does this circuit come from the distribution box? Or does it go from this socket onwards? Let's measure the first socket again. Measure this spot again. See if it still leaks. Normal, no leakage. The pointer doesn't move, good. So the leak is at the back, not the front. Now measure the distribution box. Check live to neutral, see if it still shorts, it's normal. Connect the wires first. Connect and see if there's power. Hey. Hello. Now we can close the circuit breaker normally. Let's check the voltage. See if the voltage is normal. Measure the neutral wire. Measure the live wire, the voltage is normal. See where there's no power. This is the master bedroom. The original socket we removed. There's a leaking circuit inside. Let's find out which circuit it is. This one has power, normal. The others are branch circuits. Where does the leaking circuit lead to? This isn't marked. No problem. This component, this socket position should also be an original circuit. But no power here either. There's another concealed box above this. It's also an original socket, opened it. Separate the combined wire ends and measure. This socket, which circuit is leaking, live and neutral shorted. This one is normal, the short is in. Check each circuit step by step. See where this circuit leads to. I suspect it leads to this socket. Because there are only these 3 sockets in the bedroom. They are original boxes. Open this socket. Hope it's this one. But there are only 3 wires inside, leading to the opposite side. There's a diagram inside. Notice how odd this original wiring looks. The and this outlet aren't connected. This outlet runs through from the opposite media wall. Because the master bedroom faces the media wall. This bedroom doesn't have power, right? This bedroom does have power. Let's check the wiring path of this short-circuiting leakage protector. This line first goes to the dining room. Then it reaches this secondary bedroom. From there, it goes to the master bedroom. From the master bedroom S to the other. Then it heads to the opposite media wall. And returns from the media wall with 3 lines. Next, this outlet on the media wall also has 2 original hidden junction boxes. But they're covered by the TV cabinet. Let's use a wire tracer to find them. See if we can locate this hidden junction box. Red alligator clip for the live wire. Black for the neutral wire. Turn on the transmitter and start tracing. Then use the receiver to trace the line. On the right side of the TV cabinet. There's a hidden junction box here. The signal is strong here. But it gets weaker as we move. Heading back this way. The signal gets stronger here. There's something here. Besides, there's another hidden outlet on the left. Let's check it out. See if we can find it. Ah. There's a sound here. No issue. There's a hidden junction box right here. I'm drilling a hole now. This TV cabinet might not survive the drilling. Open this junction box. Look, there are 3 lines inside. All original lines. Measure from this junction box. Which line is short-circuited? Ah. The first line tested is short-circuited. Where did it go? The pointer swings. This line is short-circuited. The TV cabinet. The hidden outlet on the left side also needs opening. Several holes drilled. Didn't find it. Embarrassing. But the tracer pointed here. Drilled nearly 10 holes. Finally found it. Didn't expect the original box to be so high. There are also 3 lines inside. First, separate all the wire ends. Then use a multimeter to test. This line is normal. The second is short-circuited. The short-circuited line is also an original. Inside is a white conduit. And another red conduit. The lines inside are normal. Where does the short-circuited line go? I suspect the original outlets on both sides of the TV cabinet. There's an issue with the middle wiring. Let's test the right original outlet. See if it's still short-circuited. Measure between the live and neutral wires, as before. Test it again. Watch the pointer swing. These 2, from there to here. To verify, pull the faulty wire from the left outlet. See if it moves. It's turning. Right? Turn to the display. What wire did you use? I used the neutral wire. Then it's not broken on your end? Found the fault, but fixing it is tough. This wire won't budge. Finally, no choice but to use surface wiring. Drilled holes through the TV cabinet. Then ran it to the left outlet. Now, let's turn on the power and test. Test all the outlets. See if they're all working. This secondary bedroom outlet works. Test again. This master bedroom outlet from the media wall works too. It's normal now. Finding the fault took half an hour. Replacing the wire took hours. Ended up using surface wiring. It was the last resort. All done. Thanks for watching. Please leave your feedback.